Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 10th June 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. As we discussed yesterday in the week ahead video, last Friday RBI maintained the interest rate same as last 6 months, and also they kept the inflation forecast for the 2025 financial year unchanged 4.5%. So these were the neutral news. On the positive side, two monetary policy members voted for 25 basis point interest rate cut, whereas other four voted to keep the interest rate unchanged. So even though there was no interest rate cut, but from the voting behavior, it's indicating the MPC members are now inclined to cut the interest rate, which from market standpoint, it's very good. In addition, RBI increased the FY 2025 GDP growth rate projection to 7.2% from earlier 7%. Again, this is also very good macro since it's the indication of stronger economy. So because of that, on Friday, Nifty increased over 450 points, or we can say over 2%. But the surprising thing was Bank Nifty increased only 1%. Bank Nifty underperformed Nifty. It seems really unusual, but it is what it is. In addition, another positive news on Friday was finally FII turned as net buyers. The net bought for approximately 4,400 crore rupees, whereas DII turned as net sellers. The net sold for 1,300 crore rupees. So Friday positive market was driven by FII, and by chance this week FII net bought for substantial amount for 3 trading session means then it's a good indication maybe FII might be returning to India, but to be sure required further confirmation. I mean, they can't able to keep on selling. At one point they has to turn around. Let's hope for it, as all the election result related drama is over. However, now politics related drama is started. I mean, yesterday along with PM Modi, 72 ministers sworn in as ministers as part of government formation, out of which 30 are cabinet ministers. In the last video, I said this, out of 30 cabinet ministers, BJP has to hold at least 80% of cabinet themselves, and they should not give more than 2 for JD United and not more than 3 for TDP and so on. So now, as per the swearing in ceremony, BJP retained 25 cabinets to themselves, which comes around 83%. And they gave only one cabinet minister each to both JD United and TDP, which looks like BJP did the tough negotiation. But they gave 2 cabinet ministers to other 2 small parties in Bihar. It's kind of indirect check to Nitish Kumar. Anyway, regarding the ministers' portfolio, which cabinet to who haven't yet declared, they will declare in the next 2 days. However, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman and Jai Shankar, all those who hold the important portfolio in the second ministry likely to continue, as all those sworn in yesterday along with PM Modi. This market will consider as positive, and I'm hoping market will react positively because it's very important for the continuation of economy policy. Moving to US market, on Friday the jobs data came as very much mixed. First of all, the hourly average wage increased 0.4% in May month compared to April month. In April month, it was just 0.2% against March month. So overall, wages are increasing very fast. This is not good since more rapid wage increase will induce more inflation. Then second, as per US government database, the number of new people who got new jobs other than farm jobs increased 2,72,000 against the expectation of 1,82,000 new job addition. Again, more number of newly employed jobs, it also increases the inflation. However, the unemployment rate increased 4% against the market expectation of 3.9%. Here, this is a poor macro, but this is what market wants, so they can force the Fed to cut the interest rate. Now, because of this mixed jobs data, on Friday, US market was little volatile and closed slightly negative. In the end, Dow Jones down by 0.22%, S&P 500 down by 0.11%, and Nasdaq decreased 0.25%. In case of VIX, it's still below 12.5. Regarding Indian areas, not because of US market, but in line with Friday Indian market, all 4 major Indian area stocks closed positive, but still HDFC Bank closed around flat. And if we calculate the arbitrage, then it seems at least 2% premium in HDFC Bank in the Indian market. So either it has to reduce the Indian market or it has to increase the bank's ADR in US. Moving on, about Gift Nifty, Saturday early morning it closed at 23,253. At present, the premium is 120 points, equating to the spot. For now, it's indicating gap down opening of 50 to 80 points. Then coming about oil, because of this good US jobs data and also there was a slight improvement in US consumer sentiment data as well, thus it increased over 0.5%. At the time of this video, Brent crude closed at around 79.5 US dollars per barrel and WTI crude trading just below 75.5 US dollars per barrel. Other than this, yesterday SEBI released the consultation paper on derivative stocks trading to implement the tighter rules. I mean, I haven't read the paper, but from the money control website, it seems if they implement this rule means then at least 25 stocks will be banned to trade as derivatives from the present 182 stocks. And as I said, I haven't read the paper, so I don't know about its implication on stock market, but I'm just conveying the info. As a summary, US market closed mild negative and on coming Wednesday, Fed interest rate decision is due. So most probably until then, global momentum is kind of paused. In line with that, Indian ADRs were not showing any new positive sign and Gift Nifty is indicating a gap down opening of 50 to 80 points. I mean, as I said, all these Indian ADR, Gift Nifty and US market all were before the cabinet ministry swearing in and the cabinet ministry looks positive to me. So I personally expect market to react positive as well. Let's see. But disclaimer, I can be wrong. Please don't make any decision based on this. Moving on, then as per stock open interest, Metropolis, Jindal Steel, Crompton, Petronet and Exide Industries got an increase in open interest along with a negative close indicates the short build-up. On the other hand, Vodafone Idea, SAIL, Marico, Balakrishna Industries and Indus Tower got an increase in open interest with a positive price close indicating the long build-up. Then about the things to look out. Today, both Chinese market and Hong Kong market will be on holiday, so only Japanese market. Early morning before our market opening, Japan's GDP data is scheduled to release and that will influence the Japanese market as well as Asian market. Then during our market time, Europe's 1-year consumer inflation expectation will be released by ECB. So based on that data, that will influence the European market. And for US in the night, there is not much that I'm aware of. It's just 3-year note auction is scheduled to take place. So those were the important items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, on last Friday, Nifty opened flat and increased throughout and hit the all-time high level 23,340. However, there was slight selling pressure at higher level, so it finally settled at 23,290. Thus, on the daily chart, Nifty formed a long bullish candlestick pattern with second consecutive higher high and higher low formation, which is positive. In addition, RSI and MACD momentum all got the positive crossover. Hence, the short-term trend looks very positive. However, Nifty closed very near to the top of the Bollinger Band, which sometimes make the trend to reverse. So going forward, if Nifty falls below 23,000, then that will trigger the profit booking. Whereas on the higher side, the immediate resistance is at 23,500 to 23,600 zone. In case of Bank Nifty, it opened 30 points gap up and similar to Nifty, it also increased. However, it failed to cross 50,000 mark and closed around 49,800. Thus, on the daily chart, it formed the medium green candle with minor upper and lower shadow. Then, in addition, candlestick formation had the third consecutive higher high and higher low formation. MACD and RSI all got the positive crossover. However, this short candle kind of indicating the consolidation. Hence, 50,000 mark is the crucial level for the trend decider. If it goes above, then it will consider as positive. On the downside, more the time it spends will create the profit booking. For now, the key resistance is 50,500 while 49,200 will act as crucial support, and if 50,500 level is breached, then there is a potential for further upward movement. On the weekly options front, the maximum call option open interest was at 24,000 strike followed by 24,500 and 23,500 with maximum new call option trading at 24,000 strike, then 24,500 and 23,700. Whereas on the put side, the maximum open interest was at 23,000 strike, followed by 22,000 and 22,500, with maximum new put option trading at 23,000 and then 23,200 and 22,000. Thus, from options data, it's indicated that Nifty's immediate support will be 23,000, whereas hurdle on the higher side is at 24,000 level. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video, so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.